struggle is very real. So welcome back to another episode. It's not really in the Triumph build, I'm just fettling and messing around really. One quick update, new headlight has arrived, so we've got a proper 900 scrambler smaller headlight. I think it's just shy of 6 inch, like 5 3/4 or something like that. So that's ready to go, and I'm working on adapting the airbox delete kit, which we have here. So you can see right down the bottom there, that's the fifth fixing for the bottom of the mudguard. So grommets in place. I've got a top hat over here, so that's ready to go in. I just need to make a little bit more clearance for it from the inside and neaten up the hole I've made there. So that's something I'm dabbling with at the moment. Didn't manage to get a MOT book for the Harley, so that's still pending outside, but it's started, it runs, and I think tomorrow we're going to get a run out on the BSA, which may also be in this video. So yeah, I need to dig that out from over here and make sure that's all good. So yeah, yeah, stick around. I'm just going to have a bit of a dabble with the airbox delete kit. So yeah, there we have it. Got that fixing in place. So there's a grommet mounted this side. Of course, where the mudguard hit this kind of liner tray had to be exactly in line with the bottom of the battery box. So that's why I've had to do this kind of relieving of the battery box to get the fixing in. Potentially didn't need it, but I just wanted it to be secured on the lower part of the mudguard. You might be able to see it on the shelf. So those are the two upper fixings, go to the top of the frame, and then down the front there's one hole mounted there. So just to be extra safe and secure, and make sure it does sit bang in the centre. So yeah, that's good to go. So next for the bike, I'm going to get the swinging arm on. Once I've cleaned it up, and get it up on wheels. So it's not the swing arm that's going to be the final fit, but I need to get it into a roller, as I said in the last video, to get it up to a company called Met Machine X. They're up in Nottingham, so I need to transport it up there, leave it with them to work their magic, and get us a nice aluminium swing arm at the length that we need to sort the stance out. So that's the next mission. That'll be Thursday's video, and yeah, got to go in now. Got to go and clear the garage, play darts with the family. That's the joyous Saturday night activity. So yeah, I guess I'll probably see you tomorrow. So I'm down here in the middle of a darts game, because I thought I'd check whether the BSA will actually start before trying to take it out tomorrow morning, and sure as you are, the battery is dead. So put it on charge, set it with 12.3 volts, but wasn't finishing off on the charger, so put it on the repair function, got that running. So as you can see, that's running here, and yeah, see if it repairs this like it repaired the Thruxton, eh? And just like that, from a magic of a transition, it is the morning. Still a bit fresh, bit of a frost this morning, but I've come out and we're going to see whether or not it's it's recovered the battery. So I've already switched the charger off, and we're going to go for a quick start. Just like that, she's a runner. Ultimately it did start. Managed to get a quick run out, grabbed a few bits and come back. So that was a lot of effort. I inadvertently turned the GoPro off amidst much swearing and losing my temper, but yeah, it decided to come to life, and it was quite a pleasant ride actually. As you can see, it's back in the workshop, and just for evidence, I haven't wiped up. There is no oil on the floor, and I haven't kicked it over or disowned it. So yeah, I think there's a little bit of flooding. Must have left the tap on a little bit longer than needed. So yeah, ultimately good ride. I need to get one of the bikes with electric start back on the road. I can't have this as my only means of getting out and about on the bike. So I think the Harley's going to be MOT'd next week, and we're going to push on and get this scrambler up and running. We need that for the summer and the spring. So yeah, thank you for joining me on this quite erratic one. We started off with the airbox delete kit and ended up with me swearing at a motorcycle trying to kickstart it. So yeah, very different video. Yeah, thank you for joining me guys, and click like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and see you in Thursday's video.